What's going on, fam? Welcome to another travel vlog. Good morning, fam. We made it to Pisa, Italy. Super early right now. It's only like 7 o'clock in the morning. It's still somewhat dark outside, but we're already here lining up for our tour. That's our tour bus over there. All right, let's go.
One coffee, please. Wie sagen Sie ein Kaffee, bitte? Pisa, which is not pizza. Weil ich nichts Wert in das Rucksack habe.
Alright guys, so we have arrived here in Pisa, the Leaning Tower. I don't know where it is though. We just arrived here at the parking lot. That's our group right there. It took an hour from the port. So let's try and explore this place. I hope it's worth the drive. Let's get it. Okay fam, so we stopped by here at this little cafe. It's like walking distance from the tower. Got myself an espresso shot, look at that. It looks strong AF. So as soon as you walk in, this is what you'll see. Look at that, you guys. Fire. So it's starting to get pretty crowded here, you guys. But then again, the tour guide said that this is not it. Prior to pandemic, it was extremely crowded here. But look at that. There's a tower over there in the back. So over here in the back, they have little shops where you can have breakfast, lunch, whatever you want. They have really nice gelato over there. Where is it? Over there. And then the restaurant is over there. So as always, guys, this is a guided tour, so we can't really just walk around on our own. So we're following this group. We're like in a bubble. So they only gave us maybe like 10-15 minutes here, and then we're off to Florence after this and have lunch there. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Check out all the buses here now, guys. When we first got here like an hour and a half ago, there were only 2 buses. Now there's like over 20. There's also more on the other side. Alright guys, after an hour and a half drive from Pisa, we finally made it here in Florence. That's our bus over there. We're gonna have lunch here. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be eating. Let's go. Korean say.
A simple taste.
So it looks like that's the restaurant we're having lunch at. That's the group. Alright fam, so we just had the most amazing lunch over there at the restaurant. It's called Grand Cafe San Marco. It was really delicious, you guys. It was a fixed menu that we booked from the tour. So it came with vegetarian lasagna, but it was really good. And also it came with salad and a dessert and also a glass of wine. So it was definitely worth it. So good. Welcome to another walking tour, Florence edition. So we made it to the cathedral. Look at that. Wow, it's pretty impressive. It looks so nice from outside. I wonder how nice it is inside. Unfortunately, we can't go in. Alright guys, so we made it here in the river. This is the Florence River. Look at that. Looks super nice.
It's beautiful in every season. In summer because we have a cooler temperature. In spring because of the leaves that are changing and
Alright, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. Please, please, please don't forget to click that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click the like and ring that notification bell so you'll get updated for my future vlogs. Alright, until then, deuces.